Napuno ng kilig ang renewal of vows sa mag-asawang sina Pia Guanyo at Steve Mago. Isinabay din ito sa dedication ng kanilang unika iha na si Scarlett Janine. Ang Star Bites hatid ni Nelson Canlas.
Sa ilalim ng buwan, sa simoy ng malamig na hangin, idinaos ang renewal of vows ni Pia Guanyo at Steve Mago sa isang eksklusibong garden restaurant sa Tagaytay City.
I am here to live once more my earthly life. I promise not to let one day pass when you do not feel that you are the most important person in my life.
Today I renew my vows to love you, serve you, and support you as a wife, and also promise to be my all as a mother to Scarlett.
Matapos ang isang taon na pagsasama ng mag-asawa, minabuti raw nila na muling magpakasal.
Well, the first time around, we didn't invite too many people. So maraming nagalit sa amin. Kaya ginawa namin to.
Kasabay nito ang dedication ng kanilang panganay na si Scarlett Janine. Kasama sa mga ninong at ninang ang 24 oras anchors na sina Mike Enriquez at Mel Tiangco na ipinoksi ni Vicky Morales. Ang proud parents, hands-on daw talaga sa pag-aalaga kay baby Scarlett.
Palaging puyat, pero at the end of the day, pag nakita mo na yung baby mong peace and mukhang angel, cute.
The minute she was born, parang somebody just turned on a switch. All of a sudden, you care so much about this baby, you like this baby, you find her cute.
Ang reyna ng chika, may plano na raw sa kanyang pagbabalik trabaho sa 24 oras at sa Itbulaga.
November 4, I go back to work. Buti na lang I have a choice naman to bring her with me, although she's going to stay in my condo in Pasig while I'm working, so I can keep going back to her in between shows.
Mula sa Tagaytay City,
Nelson Canlas, GMA News.